How to mill holes and mill metal on 4 aluminum profiles in 1 minute? The Demas 4550 dual head profile machining center will tell you the answer. First, our technicians set up the program and then place our workpiece. The timer starts. The entire process is captured in one shot, with no editing or acceleration. This time our workpiece is for furniture. Take a guess at what kind of furniture it is. If you have any questions, please contact me. Demas can provide you with a complete machining center solution. OK, machining completed in 59 seconds. Let's see the effect. Absolutely perfect. With high precision.